Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two Linux distro platform, which is Linux and Ubuntu. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Linux Mint in 2025 is perfect for beginners who want a smooth window-like experience. It comes with codec and drive pre-installed, offer excellent stability, and avoid snap package for faster performance. The downside is that it's based on auto LTS, so software update arrives more slowly and it's not the most cutting-edge option. Talking about Ubuntu, on the other hand, is this mainstream phase of Linux with massive community support, strong hardware compatibility, and regular update. It's great for both desktop and servers and work well in enterprise setup. However, its resilience on Snap can make apps slower to launch, and its GNOM's interface may feel heavier for some users. So in conclusion, Mint is best for simplicity and is while Kutum shines for support and versatility. And that's it. I find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button. Make sure to subscribe for more. Thanks.